What's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing and awesome today. I'm going to try to teach you Redemption Song by Bob Marley and the Wailers in under 180 seconds. And that just means we just got to get right to it. You don't have a capo on this one, and I'm going to give you the chords here and go with a G major. Old Pirates, yes, they rob I, E minor. And now you got to learn this cool little walk down. C major, you play a C major, and then remove this finger of the C major. Actually, you remove this finger of the C major and put this finger from the C major on the A string, on that second fret of the A string. So you're basically going a C major and doing that to an A minor, and then back to G minutes after the E minor, C, there's that little walk down, but my G does it again, E minor, C, that little walk down, A minor. You can see this downstrokes, a lot of downstrokes. You can do a little strum right there whenever you want to. And at the last one of those of the whole verse, it goes to D. It goes, won't you help to sing, and then you go to G. C, D, and over again, G, C, D major, Redemption Song, G is C, all I ever, D major, have, E minor. And you do a lot of palm muting here, go. C, Redemption, back to G. Now here's where you can go low, high, and sort of strum out these chords. G, C, D, G, C, Redemption Song. Ready? Is all C ever have, E. And then it goes C, D, and then, when it goes into the verses again, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. And it does the whole verse over again. And at the very end, when it goes Redemption Songs, is all I ever have. And it goes E minor. It does this little walk down, C, that same little walk down. And then it goes like a D7. Really interesting end of the song right there with that pop. But for the most part, it's just those same chords over and over again in the verse and chorus. 4 or 5 total chords if you include that little walk down as like a version of B. Maybe 6. A minor, never mind, I'm not good at math, but I do okay at guitar. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time for super short, super fast lessons of your favorite songs. See ya.